Back before I started trying to eat healthier, one of my favorite things to eat was like ramen noodles. And, I'd get those cup of soup ramens where all you had to do was add hot water. And, the nice thing about that was that it was just really, really easy. So I've been trying to, find a healthier way to replace that to where you can get some good ramen, some healthy ramen with a minimal amount of work. So what I did is this right here is a frozen vacuum sealed dehydrated package that I'm going to rehydrate, and that's got my chicken and my veggies in it for the ramen. This right here is this organic Lonzo ramen, and this is like a lot lower in sodium than most ramen. Where is it? Sodium, 150 milligrams. So only 7%. This is a lot lower in sodium. One of the biggest things I have issues with the unhealthy ramen is like it's got massive amounts of sodium. So I got my low sodium chicken broth right here. And instead of like one of those high sodium packs, and I'll just add a little bit of grated ginger, which I forgot to put out here, and a little bit of seasoning to that, just or garlic powder and onion powder. And then I've got an egg that I'm going to boil with it. And then I've got some bean sprouts that I grew and some mushrooms that I picked up for 50% off. And I'll put those in like near the end. But all I'm basically going to do is put all this stuff in a pot and let it boil for 10 minutes. And the mushrooms, they'll just go in the last couple of minutes so that I don't overcook them. And I'll show you what that ends up looking like when it's all done. So now I've got the broth just pulled off. This is the noodles. They're cooked and drained. I ended up cooking the noodles separately the first time. I think if I cook them and dehydrate them, then I can just put them in with the pot. But I didn't want to risk ruining the noodles. And I've got my little hard-boiled egg right there ready to go in. So now, time to just combine the ingredients. And there you have it. A nice bowl of ramen soup. We got the noodles, mushrooms, fresh veggies. Well, frozen, dehydrated fresh veggies. But yeah, still, they were fresh when they were dehydrated. Got mushrooms, fresh sprouted bean sprouts. So anyway, yeah, this took me about 10 minutes to make. So not quite as fast as a package of ramen noodles, but not much longer and a whole lot healthier.